Hello guys and welcome back to this brand new tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story issue or problem. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Search for Instagram and then click on it. Click on Instagram. Click on data usage. Now right here you have to disable the background data and the roaming data and make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data are enabled like this. Go back and click on force stop and then go to the home page. Open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Instagram and update it from here. So that's it guys for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe.